Hello friends, and welcome back. You may have seen one of my previous videos where I did some lock freezing prevention testing with different products. The one I was most impressed with is the Beaver Dam Ice Fishing No Freeze Grease. I decided to do a follow-up with some Arbus puck style locks. I have two identical locks that I use 100% of the time. They're kept outside. They are stainless steel, a good German-made lock. I'm going to pack one of them with the Beaver Dam No Freeze Grease. The other one we'll leave as is, untreated. Freeze them and see what the results are. I'm going to take this lock and I'm going to pack the grease down in the cylinder really well. Just pack it in there. I have a couple holes on the back. Fill all this in. Fill this in. If I was going to use this on something, I'd clean it up with a rag after I was done applying this. It is a little bit messy. Let's open the lock up and squirt some grease down inside. Working it really good. Take the key out again. Pack that in there. Put it in here and we are going to submerge them in water. I'm going to let these soak in water for about 5 minutes and I'll be back here. Okay, it's been a few minutes here that these have soaked. I'll shake them up a little bit and we're going to get rid of the water. One on the right has been treated. We will come back to this tomorrow when it's freezing and see what we get. Okay, so it's the next day. These have sat out overnight, and current temperature of these devices, puck locks, are about 23 degrees Fahrenheit, and our bottle of water, this is 27. It's got a nice skim of ice on the top. Let's see what we've got here. This is the lock that's untreated. Can't even get the key in the keyway on this guy. This is treated with the Beaver Dam No Freeze Grease. Look at that. Amazing. So, if you're looking for a product to help prevent freezing in a padlock, check out Beaver Dam Ice Fishing No Freeze Grease. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.